Hello and welcome to NTech Hub TV. This is the midweek news trend in the oil and gas sector globally. In Nigeria, rising tensions between the United States, Israel, and Iran are pushing global oil prices higher, raising concerns for the economy. Analysts warn that if crude oil climbs above $90 per barrel, Nigeria's fuel subsidy burden could increase significantly, potentially driving up pump prices and inflation. Also in Nigeria, cooking gas prices have surged following increases in LPG depot rates triggered by global crude price spikes and Middle East unrest. The hike is adding pressure on household budgets and small businesses already facing rising energy costs. Meanwhile, OPEC has agreed to increase oil output by 206,000 barrels per day starting in April. The move is seen as a modest effort to stabilize markets amid fears that the Iran conflict could threaten key global supply routes. On the international scene, India is considering ramping up purchases of Russian oil as tensions around the Strait of Hormuz disrupt Middle East supplies. With a large share of its crude imports passing through the region, India is exploring alternative sources to secure energy stability. In China, authorities say they will take necessary steps to safeguard national energy security following recent United States military actions that could affect global oil flows. Beijing emphasized the importance of maintaining stable energy supplies for the global economy. That wraps up the midweek oil and gas update. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and share your thoughts in the comments.